how to disallow shortcut creation on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disallow shortcut creation on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon in the top corner. Click on it, and now click data and storage, and here you will find it. And now if you want to disable it, just click on it. And as you see, allow shortcut creation have been disabled. Now just go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to disallow shortcut creation. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.